Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. So here at Southeast Ohio Solar Haven, it's January 6th, and this is our first official beginning of a snowstorm for this year of 2022. And right now it's starting out fairly light, and we're supposed to get, well, they say 1 to 3. The county next to us, which is just right across the river, 2 miles away from here, maybe 3. Winter storm warning for 4 to 9 inches. So we're gonna just see what happens. But yeah, it's fairly cold, about 26 degrees, and it's our first official snowstorm of the year. There's what's left of the garden. Yeah, we didn't get it all cleaned out, but you know, come fall we'll clean her out. And I think we're going to rebuild this actually, and it's going to come up closer in front of the deck area here. My wife wants to do some sort of thing that kind of ovals out, and it'll be more area for gardening. Yeah, that'll be fun. But yeah, it's a snowing, and snow used to excite me. It still does, but I think the first snowstorm kind of excites me, and then after that I don't want no more. But anyway, this is the beginning of this video. I'll probably end up cutting it together, do little bits by bit here, kind of give you an idea of what's going on with this snow and how it goes. So I'll be back here in a little bit to see how much more we got. Well, I'm back. Well, I did pick up a few items for the build here for this. Picked up some of these mounting pads. That way I can tie wire back and use these little sticky things inside the box. And picked up a small bag of well, we know what those are. Yeah, cable ties. And I got my breaker in, so there it is. I got the 10 amp breakers in. I'll be preparing that for the BMS and stuff in here. I haven't done it yet because I was waiting on, you know, this breaker and everything. But yeah, we're going to work on that, and then I got to clean the mess off top here. It's not really a mess. It's just, you know, I keep my headset and a little fan, a couple speakers there, and another tablet right here. So I got to get that cleaned off there. Yeah, and I had to, you know, find the heat shrink tubing and stuff I need to use, and my wire strippers. Yeah, just finding everything that I have laying around for the job. But anyway, I got to go out and clean these panels off. It snowed. And of course, at the beginning of the video, you've seen where we were starting to get a light snowstorm come in. We got about, I think they said the report for this area was 3.2 inches of snow, which isn't bad compared to south of us in Charleston, West Virginia, where places down there got anywhere between 10 to 15 inches of snow, which is crazy, off of a little short snowstorm. And if that storm had moved up, probably, if it had come north another 50 miles or so, 50 to 100 miles, we'd have been hammered here, which I'm glad we weren't. So it was cold, and you'll see in this next video that next part of the video here where I went out to clean the panels off, and it was cold. I'm not gonna lie to you, it is cold out, and yeah, didn't like it. Well, the resulting snow we had was probably a good healthy 3 inches of snow. As you can see there, I got one set of the panels clean off. I use this little thing here with a brush on the end of it to clean the panels off. Yeah, small ray. I don't know if I can get those ones on the roof. I guess the temperature warm-up's gonna have to get those. Anyway, it's nice and white around here and cold, so I'm gonna get these panels cleaned off and I'll be back with you. Well, I'm back. I got them cleaned off the best I could. It's like 19 degrees and the wind's just blowing, as you could probably hear. But it's kind of frozen over pretty good on those end panels. The ice is pretty thick because they got warmed up earlier on and melted the snow a little bit, and then it froze, so it'll melt off. Anyway, there's a quick short of how it works down here in Southeast Ohio when it gets cold. It gets cold and decides to snow. Yep. Well, have a good one. Click like. You know, I'm gonna get my hands back in my gloves where I don't freeze to death. Have a good one.